point is that you need to experience it on your own. You need to see it for yourself, if that makes sense. Feel it, sense it, make it a part of your own life. Whenever you want to go from one place to another, from point A to point B, what are you doing? You are creating polarization. So through that polarization, creation happens. An aspect of you goes away to make room to a newer, better aspect of you. So you see, it's not that you change, because some people also believe that you can never change. You are you, and that's it. In one way, this might be true. Your essence will always stay the same. You have a certain purpose, you have a certain essence, a certain energy, a certain genetic code that makes you who you are. That does not mean that you cannot transform or transcend yourself. You need to stay true to your essence. But transformation is painful. Willpower is required in everything that you do in life. Willpower is required for you to transform yourself. Willpower is required for you to do some introspection. Everything that can be visible, everything that can be said, thought, or felt, it's on the right side, which is emotions, all of these things. The left side is the unseen part. What is the unseen part about you? It is an understanding of the existence of the cosmos. So when you do that, this is the highest form of respect of the entire cosmos and of yourself. Boom, north, south, west, east, and then you always touch the middle, because the middle is the one holding everything together, and they're all interconnected. Boom. The middle is the one keeping all that force. So now I think probably you see why this is very important in your life. These four elements, that they are not only within you and out without you. You see them on others. You see them on animals. You see them on trees. You see them on even on the universe, in the stars. It represents transformation throughout the universe and throughout the world and with ourselves. Because everything is movement. This calls about movement, about transformation, about cycles, right? About how on earth we see the cycles and always renew itself. It's always renewing itself.